This is the E90 Andy Halogen to Xenon conversion tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install or how to plug in my Xenon conversions. As you know, all of my conversions are plug and play, and they all use my new E90 Andy HID system. Today I'm going to be plugging in the LCI AHL headlight into my halogen car. And of course I have the LCI halogens, but they're exactly the same as the pre-LCI halogen headlights. First step you do is to unplug your headlight. And that would be this plug right here. And I'm just going to remove it. Okay. Once you have it removed, just place it to the side, like so. And now I'm going to bring up the baby. Give me 1 second. Okay, so my new LCI conversions. This one currently has tape on it because I didn't want to scratch up the lenses. But as you can see, the only thing connected to the headlight is my HID system and this plug. So all I have to do is just plug this in here. Get a nice view of it. And that's it. Plug and play. Just reposition. Now I've already done the same for the other side to save on time, but as you can see, that's all you had to do. Besides removing the bumper, the installation part is very simple. All you do is just plug it in and play. Everything works just like factory, including signals. As you can see, there's no hyper flash or anything with with the new LED signals. Typically you'll get the hyper flash, but I've been able to solve that using a few resistors and some special wiring. And I'm going to show you check control. All systems are okay. I'm going to give you a nice front view of the headlights with the lights on now. And I do have Lux H8 installed on the headlights as well. The bulb color is 5000K. I'm going to turn off the low beams so you guys can see the angel eyes in action. This is just the angel eyes, by the way. And Mark's done a pretty good job. They're pretty darn bright. It's just tape in the front of it to keep it from scratching. The lucky buyer of these headlights is named Aaron, so if you see him around, be sure to look out for my headlights on his car. If you're interested in this conversion, please visit my website at e90andy.com, or feel free to shoot me an email at e90andy@gmail.com. Thanks a lot for watching.